Hi, it's Chrissy Webster from Chrissy Webster Mosaic and Craft. Come and have a look at this. This is the mixed media felted panel. You can sort of see the size of it. It comes out about the size of an A4 piece of paper. And it's a no-sew method. It's an opportunity to really put some found objects, some lovely bling in there. Isn't that gorgeous? I'll give you another quick example here. This one has tiny beads trapped inside in the center of the flower, and some leaf detail on that one. Here's another one that's again got little sequins inside. I like that one, that's a bit different. This is like a fantasy theme on that one. This is more of an abstract design. It's so luxurious to feel as well. So that's your felted panels we'll be covering. Thanks for watching. See you again.